Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. Namaste. Namaste from Nepal.
Namaste.
Good morning. It's 6:15 a.m. here. If you have been to Nepal and have been to Pokhara, it's about 2 hours drive west from Pokhara. It's about 68 kilometers west from Pokhara. I'm in Parvat. So this year is very important year for us because we are celebrating 35th anniversary of Reed. What started as a simple library in 1991 have been transformed into the community-rooted, trusted institutions where it's a space where community come together. It's a foundational space where community come together, learn, discuss, and shape their own futures. It started by Tony, and we are now in like 5th Reed Center. In India, Nepal, and Bhutan, we have more than 140 Reed centers. And just in Nepal, we have 73 Reed centers. So Moti Library, Moti Reed Center is 5th Reed Center. It's about 26 years old. I mean, we have been working with Moti Center since 26 years. So what is going to happen today is we are going to take you to the library spaces. And then we are going to introduce with the key people. They'll tell something about themselves. And yeah, and then we'll move into the meeting hall where all the people are joining us and they'll be telling a story. And talking about the language, most of the people, all of the people here, they'll be speaking in Nepali. So I will help my best to tell their stories. You'll hear their voices, but I'll help you. I'll help to carry their stories to you. I have encouraged our girls and boys to talk in English, but let's see what will happen. So in the beginning, I will introduce you to a very important person, Bholanath Sharma. So he is the founder, president of Moti Library. He's 73, and yeah, he has been tirelessly working for the development of this community. And yeah, Bhola sir, he is a very well-known figure here. Everyone in the community, they call him Bholaba, which means father. So you can just guess how much respected he is and how is the relationship between the community and and the library and Bholaba. So Bhola sir के भन्नुहुन्छ कि हजुरले अलिकति हजुर
1960 मा जब यो मोती पुस्तकालय मैले स्थापना गरेँ त्यसपछि अहिलेसम्म निरन्तर पुस्तकालयको प्रमोसनमा लागिरहेको छु
हजुर
र यो 66 इयर्स भइसक्यो र यसको सानो एउटा रुमबाट सुरु गरेको अहिले विशाल बिल्डिङदेखि धेरै किताबहरू धेरै कार्यक्रमहरू हामी चलाइरहेछौँ र म यसरी जोडिएको छु कि यो लाइब्रेरीसँग मैले मरिहालेँ कहीँ भने पनि मेरो लासै यहीँ ल्याएर 1 घन्टा राखेर अनि मात्रै जतिकै क्रिमिनेट गर्दै हुन्थ्यो भन्ने इच्छा छ मैले लाइब्रेरीलाई कति महत्त्व दिन प्रयास गरेको छु भन्ने कुरा कम्युनिटीले र सायद नेपालका लाइब्रेरीमा चासो राख्ने मान्छेहरूलाई थाहा भइसकेको छ
Yeah. So it's synonyms. Bhola and library is just synonyms. So this library was established long back. It used to be a very small library and then rejoined later. Yeah, it's part of his life. And then what he's telling is once he dies, then he is wishing that his body is just put in the library for 1-2 hours, then only cremated. So that's what he's wishing for. That shows how much how much close he is to the library. Thank you, Bhola sir. So we'll be walking along the way with Bhola. And most important thing is like all the community members here, all the people here has their own story. So as we were having tea, I was talking to Shishir here. Shishir is the hotel owner. It's a small hotel. And yeah, I was asking whether he has any stories. So he has some. So let's hear from him too. हजुर नेपालीमा भन्नुहोस् न हजुर आउनुहोस् त So Shishir and Purnima, they are husband and wife, and they have some story to tell. हजुर थोरै मात्रै हजुर हजुर
एक्चुअली म चाहिँ पहिला विदेश पनि गएर आएको हो
हजुर
अनि त्यसपछि आएपछि अनि फेरि अब जाने कि नजाने त्यस्तै सिचुएसन त्यस्तै थियो अनि त्यसपछि लाइब्रेरीसँग फेरि कन्ट्याक्ट भयो लाइब्रेरीसँग कन्ट्याक्ट भइसकेपछि त्यसपछि यहाँ चाहिँ अब अरू त्यो हजुर अनि त्यसपछि यहाँ चाहिँ अब विदेश जानुभन्दा अब यहीँ नेपालमा पनि के गर्न सकिन्छ भन्ने कुराहरू भयो अनि त्यसपछि गइहाल्यो भने सिबाट सिकेर जानुपर्छ भन्ने खालको अब
अलिकति
हजुर भन्ने कुरा भयो त्यसपछि हामीले आफ्नै केही बिजनेस स्टार्ट गऱ्यौँ अहिले चाहिँ हामी एकदम खुसी नै छौँ राम्ररी भइरहेछ फ्यामिलीसँग सँगै
हजुर हजुर के भन्नुपर्छ
मलाई नि खुसी लागेछ
हजुर
अब हामीले चाहिँ अब लाइब्रेरीबाट धेरै सुझावहरू सल्लाहहरू पायौँ अनि त्यही अनुसार हामी यहाँ काम गरिरहेछौँ
okay.
धेरै राम्रो भएको छ
So Shishir and Purnima, they are doing their own business now. They were abroad. He was abroad, and then he told me when I was having tea that he was not aware about his visa, about his contract conditions and all. So he didn't know like what is going to happen in abroad. So he has like a lot of hardships, and then he was frustrated and he returned back. And she actually got contacted with the library, and she got information that they can also, start their own business. And then if they want to go abroad, they are also the safe way to follow. And the library has been the advisor for them, but they don't choose to go abroad. They started their own business here, and they are doing great, and they are happy that they are together with their families. So thank you so much. I'll take you to the library now. Oh, just to let you know that we are using this equipment for the first time, and we are doing the virtual live tour for the first time. So I'm sorry if there are any technical glitches. So you can see the library here on my back. This is library. It used to be very small. It used to be small, and it's like 6 times bigger than what it used to be. You can see at the bottom, the storefront rentals. These spaces are rented out for the shops, local shops here. It's closed now because it's very early morning. At the top, you can see the telephone tower. The space is rented out for the telecommunication company. And then they also have the FM station here. They also have the community learning center here. And along with that, they also have the endowment fund. So these are the sustaining enterprise, revenue generating project of the library. And they generate about around $700 per month, which is sufficient to run the library. And apart from that, they also have the local partnerships for the sustainability. All the activities, all the programs are done through the partnerships. They have about more than 20 partners working here. The library is working with 20 partners. When we say partners, they are schools, they are hospitals, they are agriculture office, livestock offices, and a lot of other institutions. So, so each library is registered as a local organization, as a local NGO, and the library is actually governed by the Library Management Committee, which is the executive committee, and they are the executive body who run the library. Here you can see the executive committee members. They are newly elected. So they are here to welcome you all. Namaste, Ganuna. Namaste. Namaste. They were telling me that at least, you can see their library from abroad, and they are here early morning to welcome you all. So this is the library entrance. No, Garni. Oh, Tony is here. Is it visible? Yeah, it starts. So this is Nepal, and we are here around the middle. Yeah, they had a voice, sir. Right? यहाँ कोही छैन अहिले आउनु न यता आउनु This is children's section. It's early morning. Children are still sleeping or getting ready to go to school. She's taking care of the children's section. नाम भन्नुस् न
यहाँ रमा पोखरेल
रमा पोखरेल अलिकति केही भनिदिनुहुन्छ यहाँ
हाम्रो यो चिल्ड्रेन सेक्सनमा चाहिँ नानीहरू आउँछ बच्चाहरू आउँछ with their grandparents
हजुर
they play here and they read books
त्यति नै हो Yeah, I don't need to translate. Thank you so much, Rama.
Okay.
So we'll go upstairs. सरहरू चाहिँ मिटिङ हलमा बसिदिनु भयो हुन्छ है म चाहिँ जुत्ता खोल्दिन है नमस्ते नमस्ते इन्द्र सर यता आउनुहोस् न So this is the library section. नमस्ते हजुर He's Indra. Librarian, नाम हजुरको?
इन्द्र प्रसाद सापकोटा
इन्द्र प्रसाद सापकोटा. कति वर्ष भयो काम गर्नुभएको?
मैले 28 वर्ष भयो
28 years he has been working as a librarian here. And यहाँ कतिवटा किताब छ अलिकति केही भनिदिनुहोस् है थोरै.
यहाँ ई लाइब्रेरीमा 7,000 किताब छ र ई लाइब्रेरी सँगसँगै 23,000 किताब
Okay.
पुस्तकालयमा रहेको छ र अरू पुराना खालका पत्रिका नयाँ खालका पत्रिकाहरू हामी कम्पाइल गरेर बाइन्डिङ गरेर राखेको
They have
14
They have old newspaper, they have e-library about 7,000 books, and physical books are 23,000. I can see most of the books are in Nepali and in ethnic language. Very few are in English. And yeah, so he doesn't only stay here. He told me that he did a lot of outreach activity. He is going to tell about that later. So can we move around? है त्यही त बत्ती पालौँ न ठिकै छ जाउँ माथि This is a library space. It's a big space. Nice. Naam?
मेरो सुशीला शर्मा
This is the women's cooperative. होइन?
हजुर हो
कतिजना member हुनुहुन्छ?
208 जना
So when the women come together, it's very similar to other libraries also. When they come together, they want to save something, and then the savings cooperative established. First, it is like informal, and then they registered into the district cooperative office as a women's cooperative. Now they have 203, huh? 203 जना
208 जना
208 women members. अनि पछि कतिजनालाई ऋण लगानी गर्नुभएको छ
50 जनालाई ऋण लगानी गरेको छ
Presently, 50 women are taking loan to start their own business. आफ्नो business गर्नलाई अनि
बिजनेसमा बाख्रा पालन
पालन
भैँसी पालन तरकारी खेती
Okay, the vegetable cultivation, goat raising, cow raising. हजुर
होटल व्यवसाय किराना पसल
Okay, the grocery shop. So for these kind of small businesses, they take loan from here. And she was also telling that this space is trusted than the bank. हिजो भनिराख्नु भएको थियो नि त हैन? And so rather than going to the bank, they come here to do their transactions. हैन त? माथि जाउँ. अरु के भन्नु सक्छ है?
ठीक छ
हजुर. हस्. टाइमिङ पनि हेरौँ. 7 मिनेट त गएछ. हस्. यहाँ छ नि. Sorry. Yeah, I forgot one thing. Oh, this is where this is a program about safe migration. So if any youth of these villages want to go abroad, they can have information about how to go appropriately so that they don't get scammed. अलिकति भन्नुहुन्छ के गरिराख्नु भएको छ कतिजना जस्तो त्यो
सकभर चाहिँ विदेश जानुहोस् जाने नै हो भने सिप सिकेर जानुहोस् र नगई नहुने अवस्था रह्यो भने कमसेकम आफूलाई चाहिने आवश्यक कागजपत्रहरू पुस्तकालयमा राख्नुहोस् आफ्नो परिवारमा राख्नुहोस् र केही सिप सिकेर जानुभयो भने यहाँभन्दा बढी पैसा हजुरको आय आर्जन हुन सक्छ भनेर हामी त सचेतना कार्यक्रम रेडियोबाट क्यास्केटबाट सञ्चालन गर्छ
Yeah, what he's telling is that if you don't need to go abroad, there are a lot of opportunities here locally also. So they give information about how they can be in this community, how they can run their own business in the community. And if they want to go abroad, there are proper ways to go. So there are like a lot of materials here, information here. And if you want to go abroad, you need to like learn some skills so that you don't get difficulty when you go abroad. So they conduct program through the outreach activity, through the FM stations, and when they come here also they visit this space. कतिजना जतिलाई दिइसक्नुभयो सूचनाहरू चाहिँ
सूचनाहरू हाम्रो वार्षिक रूपमा 6,000
कति वर्ष भयो यो चलिरहेको
चलेको 6 वर्ष भयो
Oh, so this program is running since 6 years and एक वर्षमा कतिले
एक वर्षमा 6,000 जति
about
हुन्छ जस्तै अन्तरक्रिया सचेतना कार्यक्रम क्यास्केट सञ्चालन गर्ने छलफल गर्ने उहाँका समस्याहरू सहजीकरण गर्ने
So every year about 6,000 people come here to get the information.
पहिला जति उहाँको कुराहरू नबुझेर आउनुहुन्थ्यो अहिले उहाँले कुरा बुझ्नुहुन्छ र आफूले बुझेको कुरा समुदायमा परिवारमा भन्ने हुनाले उहाँको त्यो समय यहाँ आइपुग्ने समस्या पनि उहाँले आफै घरबाटै समस्या समाधान गरेको देखिएको
Okay, now what he's saying that they don't need to come here, they are already aware and they are also inspiring others to come here, and if they need to give information by themselves, they are also being the mentor to others. त्यो चाहिँ अहिले नगरौँ माथि we need to go. So this is they have started the podcast. This is very recent, right? It's not in operation now, but it will be in operation very soon. The library is growing. And here is, okay. नमस्ते के छ खबर ठिक छ कसले बोल्नुहुन्छ यहाँ So this is the ICT section where they can have training on information and technology. Krisha अरु को बोल्नुहुन्छ के गरिराख्नु भएको तपाईहरु क्लास लिइराख्नु भएको अहिलेदेखि क्लास चल्छ र बिहानदेखि सिकिरहेको We used to have only girls in this program. We had this Tech-Age girls program, but now we can also see boys. नाम के हो तपाईको निर्मल तिवारी So yeah, we can talk to them upstairs in the meeting hall. हैन जाम You can see here the list of life members in the library. They are like local donors. These are the what do you call that? Sangrakshak like के भन्छ सर संरक्षक trustees yeah oh no patron yes I'm targeting to spend just 20 minutes going around, so I'm in bit rush. Sorry for that. Yeah, yeah. Namaste. This is the first radio station here. कति वर्ष भयो खोलेको
2063 सालमा
कति भयो त्यो भनेको
सबैभन्दा पहिला स्थापना भएको
कति त्यो भनेको हजुर
63 भनेपछि लगभग 18-19 वर्ष
19 years old yeah they have started this station this is the first radio station in Parvat district right
पर्वत जिल्लामा चाहिँ पहिला रेडियो कुनै पनि
थिएन
धवलागिरी अञ्चलमै साबिकको धवलागिरी एफएम भन्ने थियो
हजुर
धवलागिरी अञ्चलमै जिल्लामा भन्दा नि यो साबिकको धवलागिरी अञ्चलमै दोस्रो रेडियोको रूपमा स्थापना भएको रेडियो
हजुर अनि अहिले चाहिँ यसको हिजो भन्नुभएको थियो
अहिले चाहिँ अब यो पर्वत जिल्लाको मध्य भेगमा अवस्थित फलेवास नगरपालिका
कतिजना जतिले सुन्न सक्छ यो
खाने गाउँमा अवस्थित रहेको छ यसको पहुँच चाहिँ लगभग एभरेजमा हाम्रो पपुलेसनको हिसाबले चाहिँ 10-15 लाख र बीचमा चाहिँ सरदरमा भन्नुपर्दा त्यही दैनिक 2 लाख 3 लाख मान्छेहरूले चाहिँ सुनेकै हामीले चाहिँ त्यस्तो
So the daily listeners are about 300,000 people and the outreach is to about 10 lakhs I know I'm getting the reminder the timer okay average about 800,000 people it has reached
पर्वत
हजुर
स्याङ्जा कास्की गुल्मी म्याग्दी लगायत जिल्लाहरूमा सुनिन्छ यहाँको पपुलेसन अनुसार त धेरै नै भन्न मिल्छ तर चाहिँ सुन्ने यसको पहुँच पुग्ने त्यतिजना जतिले सुन्नुहुन्छ भन्ने हाम्रो चाहिँ त्यस्तो रहेको
अनि कन्टेन्टको अलिकति कुरा गर्नुभएको थियो थोरै मात्रै
चाहिँ बिहान 4:45 बजे लगभग 5 बजे हाम्रो सेवा प्रसारण सुरु हुन्छ यहाँ धार्मिक अनुष्ठानका केही कार्यक्रमहरू ज्योतिषीय विद्या अनुसार राशिफल लगायतका केही शुभकामनाका कार्यक्रमहरू पनि
It started with the horoscope and अनि त्यसपछि
लगत्तै अनि न्यूजहरू हुन्छ हाम्रो र बीबीसीहरू राष्ट्रिय मिडियाबाट नेपाली रेडियो नेटवर्क उज्यालो
this local news this BBC news yeah they translate अनि
अनि हाम्रो स्थानीय यहाँ वरिपरि
and local news yeah
गरेर हामीले गर्ने गर्छौं र यहाँको यो चाहिँ यो लोकल गभर्नमेन्ट स्थानीय सरकारसँग हामी जोडिएर विभिन्न कार्यक्रम जस्तै यही पुस्तकालयसँग जोडिएर पुस्तकालयमा विभिन्न किसिमका परियोजनाहरू सञ्चालन गर्नु भएको छ उहाँहरुको के छ अब त्यो त्यसको उद्देश्य र त्यो कार्यक्रमले दिएको उत्पादन के छ भन्ने कुरा
they work very closely with the government and as well as the library there are a lot of activities happening in the library so through this FM station they broadcast about the library activities and with the government what he told me before was that there are also a lot of government services they speak about the government services in the as a content they broadcast as a content and the community issues also they are working as a conduit so the issues they collect and they invite the people here, interview them, and to make the local government aware of what needs to happen. So Bhola, our founder president of the library, has actually helped establish this.
लगभग 4 घन्टा टाढाबाट सामानहरू टावरहरू बोकेर ल्याएर
Oh, to establish this, they have collected all the materials from 4 hours. Like they have walked, carrying all the materials from the person. Yeah, yeah. They all have carried this to make this happen. Okay. Hasta dhanyawad. Hasta dhanyawad. Oh. जुत्ता खोलेको ओके हजुर नमस्ते म एकैछिन नमस्ते हजुर ए नमस्ते नमस्ते म एकैछिन यहाँ गएर आउँछु है हजुर so this is a sewing section. Indraji, can you tell what you are doing here? के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ अलिकति भनिदिनु के सिलाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ यहाँ अहिले
उहाँले आफूले प्रयोग गर्ने सामग्रीहरू जस्तै गुन्यो चोलो सर्ट प्यान्ट दौरा सुरुवाल सँगसँगै उहाँले रियुज गर्ने खालको यो सेनिटरी प्याड सिलाउनुहुन्छ र उहाँले सिलाइसकेको यो सेनिटरी प्याड सहित सम्पूर्ण सामग्रीहरू हामी समुदायमा फेरि वितरण गर्छौं.
They actually give training to the women participant here on how to sew, and they whatever they are using the kurta, every like the clothes they are wearing, they can now do on their own. And then apart from that, the library is also making the sanitary pad, what he's saying. And then, they are day night. Yeah, the sanitary pad that can be used in a day. Okay, you're using in the daytime and in the nighttime, and they do a lot of awareness activity in the school about this menstrual hygiene and all, and they distribute the sanitary pad to the local government school students, girls. कति जना जतिलाई दिनुभयो? 16,000 girls already have access to these menstrual pad because of the library. So not only the students, but also the women in the community. So you can see that this issue is not the women's issue, it's like the men's issue too. So Indra actually goes with our women participant, and he participate in awareness raising about this menstrual hygiene. And now what the new thing that is happening in the library is यो भन्दिनु त अलिकति
यो चाहिँ हाम्रो इको ब्याग हो हैन
This is the eco bag.
समुदायमा धेरै नै प्लास्टिकको युज भएको हुनाले र यो प्लास्टिकलाई चाहिँ हामीले कम युज गर्नको लागि चाहिँ हामीले बजार जाँदाखेरि लिएर जानको लागि यो ब्याग चाहिँ हामीले
कसरी थाहा पाउनु भयो यो चाहिँ
यो हाम्रो टेकेज गर्ल्सहरुको कम्युनिटी प्रोजेक्ट थियो अनि उहाँहरुले चाहिँ कम्युनिटीको इस्युहरु फाइन्ड आउट गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ प्लास्टिक धेरै युज हुने भएको हुनाले चाहिँ उहाँहरुले नै अनि यो इको ब्याग बनाएर डिस्ट्रिब्युट गर्ने भनेर एटलिस्ट उहाँहरुले चाहिँ 300 इको ब्याग चाहिँ डिस्ट्रिब्युट गरिसक्नु भएको छ कम्युनिटीमा अहिले चाहिँ सबैजनाले यो बजार जाँदा लिएर जानुहुन्छ
है okay so as you have seen the girls downstairs we have this Tekej girls and Tekej youth program. They only not get the computer training, but they also get capacity building training. They also get professional development training, and they are trained to do the community need assessment. And in one of the need assessment, in one of the community project, they went to the community and found that there are a lot of uses of plastic in the community, and they are actually burning it when they lit the fire to cook rice and the food. So they say they plan together, and then they come up with the idea that why don't we make the eco bag, and now they are making the eco bag here and they are distributing it. They are seeing that the usage of plastic is decreasing. कतिवटा जति eco bag दिनुभयो 300 eco bag already distributed to the community, and whenever they go for the shopping, now they carry this bag, not the plastic bag. हैन धन्यवाद तपाईको के भन्नुहुन्छ
हामीले तयार गरेको यो ब्यागहरु हेल्प गर्नु
ओके
ब्यागहरु सेनिटरी प्याडहरु कमराहरु सबै हामीले नै हो बनाएर अनि वितरण पनि गर्न हामी पनि सहभागी भएर
okay she is also the participant to make the eco bag. They use this bag to carry the sanitary pad and all, and she is involved in making all these, the bags and sanitary pads also. Namaste tapai solo बनाइराख्नु भएको छ So this is a kind of cloth that we use. So she's making it. Thank you. People are waiting outside, so I need to go. धन्यवाद. Thank you so much. It's just 1 hour, so it's so little. Namaste. हामीलाई चाहिँ एकदम टाढाबाट हेरिराख्नु भएको छ हैन हाम्रो अरू देशबाट हेरिराख्नु भएको छ के अनि हामीले चाहिँ यहाँ के भइरहेछ भनेर देखाउन खोजेको हो हैन यहाँ हामीले सुरुवात गरौँ है त म देखाउनु पर्छ अर्जुनजी can I go around so we have म यताबाट जान्छु है यहाँबाट जाऊँ so we have Turkish girls here and then some men here. He's a very important person. Everyone is important person. Okay. And then some of the female here. I'll just go around. Namaste, Hazur. Hazur, namaste. Namaste. We'll start with their stories. So I think we can start from Krishna. Hazur, म त्यही आउँछु है एकैछिन मलाई अलिकति जान दिनु होला सो अलिकति भनिदिनुस् न हजुरको बारेमा थोरै सुरु गरौँ हजुर परिचयबाट
नमस्कार म राज पौडेल घर पर्वत जिल्ला फलेवास नगरपालिका वार्ड नम्बर 5 खानी गाउँ पुस्तकालय नजिकै पर्छ र म चाहिँ विक्रम 2038 सालमा मेरो जन्म र म यही स्थानीय तहमा रहेको चाहिँ यही श्री भवानी विद्यापीठ माध्यमिक विद्यालयमा मेरो आफ्नो अक्षर यात्रा प्रारम्भ गरेर चाहिँ एसएलसी सोही विद्यालयबाट दिएको हुँ र म चाहिँ पुस्तकालयसँग मेरो सम्बन्ध म कक्षा 6मा जुन 12 वर्षको मेरो हुँदाखेरि मेरो पुस्तकालयसँग एउटा सम्बन्ध जोडियो जुन आदरणीय भोला सरको नेतृत्वमा जुन अभियान पुस्तकालय सञ्चालन गर्ने अभियान सँगसँगै यो क्रम चाहिँ मेरो घर परिवारलाई थाहा भइसके पछाडि होइन छोरालाई पनि जोड्नुपर्छ र मेरो आफ्नो इच्छा अनुसार पनि पुस्तकालयको चाहिँ प्रयोग गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने भावना बुझेर चाहिँ म 2049-50 सालमा चाहिँ यस मोती सामुदायिक पुस्तकालयको चाहिँ आजीवन सदस्य को रूपमा चाहिँ म औपचारिक रूपमा प्रवेश गरेँ यद्यपि म नियमित पाठकको रूपमा त म रहिरहेको थिएँ विद्यार्थी कालदेखि नै र त्यसै क्रममा आफ्नो अध्ययनको सिलसिलामा चाहिँ म आफ्नो युनिभर्सिटीको पढाइ सकेर पुनः गाउँमै आफ्नो कर्म गर्नको लागि अथवा म पुनः भवानी विद्यापीठ माध्यमिक विद्यालयमा चाहिँ अध्यापन गराउनको लागि चाहिँ आएँ जुन विक्रम 2064 सालमा जुन विद्यालयमा प्रवेश गर्ने सोही समयदेखि नै म पुस्तकालयसँग जोडिएर म कार्य समितिमा बसेर अब कुनै कार्यकालमा सचिवको रूपमा र कुनै कार्यकालमा चाहिँ अध्यक्षको रूपमा जोडिएर हालसम्म म निरन्तर क्रियाशील छु यद्यपि म अहिले अध्यक्षको रूपमा नभए पनि म सल्लाहकार समितिको सदस्यको रूपमा बसेर चाहिँ मैले पुस्तकालयका विभिन्न गतिविधिहरूमा चाहिँ निरन्तर सहयोग गरिरहेको छु काम गरिरहेको छु
I'll summarize what he's saying. He's Krishna. He was born here and he went to the local school when he was little. So he became the member of the library. His family get to know about the library services and he was enrolled here. And he also became the life member at that time. He was the child user. He came here to read books, to play toys, and to engage in activities of the library when he was small. And then he went to the university out of the village and he came back as a teacher. He started working as a teacher. And then after he started, again, being connected into the library, and he's the president of the library for many years. He has taken different roles. He was the secretary also. So yeah, now he's the advisory committee member. He just has hand over his responsibility to the other new executive committee member. Now he is active in one way or the other. So you can see that once was a child user, he became the president. So it's not about, READ is not about like the users, creating the users. The library is not only about creating the participants, but it's about creating the leaders in the community and who want to give back once they are benefited from the library services. So there are like a lot of stories like that in the communities who are giving back. अब कसले बोल्नुहुन्छ तपाईँ बोल्नुहुन्छ मम्मी आउनु भएको छ ए हो र कति बेला आउनुहुन्छ त तपाईँ अङ्ग्रेजी बोल्नुहुन्छ नेपालीमै बोल्नुहुन्छ अङ्ग्रेजी बोले नि हुन्छ Ora, ल त भन्नु त भन्नु त भन्नु
नमस्कार, म चाहिँ ट्यागल कृषा तिवारी। म चाहिँ यहाँ 2080 सालमा चाहिँ लाइब्रेरीमा जोडिएको थिएँ। 2081 सालमा लाइब्रेरीमा जोडिएको थिएँ। त्यसपछि ममा चाहिँ धेरै परिवर्तनहरू आयो। म अगाडि गएर बोल्ने, आफूले आफ्नो समाजको समस्याहरू पहिचान गरेर त्यसको समाधान गर्ने, अनि आफूमा चाहिँ कन्फिडेन्स लेभल बढ्यो, जसले गर्दा धेरै कार्यक्रमहरूमा भाग लिन सकेँ। आफ्नो समुदायलाई पनि परिवर्तन गर्न सकेँ। आफ्नो समुदाय जसमा चाहिँ प्लास्टिकको समस्या चाहिँ एकदम धेरै नै थियो, मैले चाहिँ प्लास्टिक जलाउनु हुँदैन, यसलाई सही रूपमा व्यवस्थापन गर्नुपर्छ भनेर उहाँहरूलाई सिकाएँ। र म चाहिँ आफ्नो समुदायमा गएर चाहिँ धेरै कुराहरूमा चाहिँ आफूले चाहिँ बोल्ने अवसर पनि पाएँ। यहाँ आएपछि चाहिँ मैले आफ्नो छुट्टै पहिचान बनाउन सकेँ। मैले यहाँ कम्प्युटर सम्बन्धी ज्ञानहरू सिक्न सकेँ, प्रविधिमा चाहिँ आफू अगाडि बढ्न सकेँ र छोरीले पनि केही गर्न सक्छन्।
अलिकति म ट्रान्सलेट गरिहाल्छु है। I'll translate this first. It's a long story. So she's Krisha. She became involved in Tech Age Girls program 3 years before. And she said that she used to be shy. She doesn't have any confidence to speak up. Now she is feeling that she has gained the confidence and she can speak whatever she wants to. Not only about speaking and gaining confidence, but she also learned how to use the computers and to identify the community problem and seek the solutions of those. And what she's telling is that, you know, she has seen a lot of people, a lot of families here are using plastic bags, and they want to discourage that. That's why they get together and then make a project about how to make the eco-friendly bags, and they are working on it.
Yes.
And she has her own identity now. That's what she said.
म चाहिँ आफ्नो मेरो मम्मीले चाहिँ कक्षा 10 पढेपछि उहाँ चाहिँ विवाह गर्नुभएको थियो। अनि उहाँ चाहिँ विवाह गरेपछि म जन्मिएँ, जसले गर्दा उहाँले आफ्नो पढाइलाई चाहिँ निरन्तरता दिन पाउनु भएन। र फेरि पनि मैले मम्मीलाई जब मोती पुस्तकालयमा आएँ, मैले यहाँ आएपछि मैले आफ्नो पढाइको महत्त्व पनि बुझेँ। एउटा पढाइले नै मान्छेलाई चाहिँ समुदायमा असल पहिचान मिल्छ भन्ने कुरा थाहा पाएँ। र मैले मेरो मम्मीलाई गएर हजुर फेरि पढाइमा जोडिनुपर्छ, हजुरले सक्नुहुन्छ भनेर उहाँलाई मोटिभेट गरेर उहाँले फेरि यो 2082 सालमा चाहिँ एससी इक्जाम दिएर पनि आउनुभयो। र उहाँले म फेरि पढाइलाई निरन्तरता दिन्छु र रेगुलर स्टुडेन्ट भएर नै मैले 11-12 चाहिँ पढेर म त्यसलाई पास गर्ने आँट लिएको छु भनेर चाहिँ उहाँले भन्नुहुन्छ।
कति बेला आउनुहुन्छ
मम्मी आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ।
Okay. So she's speaking about her mother now. When she was grade 10, her mother was grade 10, she got married and she had child immediately after, and then she has to drop her education. And she was not continuing that. And what she said is, like, after coming to the library, she got to know about the importance of the education, and it's very important for the women to get educated. And she went back in home and then motivated her mother to go to school. And then she created a kind of environment so that she can go to school. And she went to school and she has given this SEE examination now, and she's waiting for the result. And she said that she will continue. So girls like her not only get empowered by, there's a transformation not within themselves only, but also they are like inspiring their mothers and family members and community members to get the positive transformation.
यस, मैले चाहिँ मेरो भाइलाई पनि परिवर्तन गर्न सकेँ। भाइ चाहिँ कार्यक्रममा भाग लिँदैन थियो। भाइले अब ट्याग गर्ल जस्तै कार्यक्रम केटाहरूलाई पनि आयो भने सायद मेरो भाइ पनि त्यसमा अगाडि बढ्न सक्छ होला। अनि यदि महिला र पुरुष दुवैलाई यो कार्यक्रम, किशोर र किशोरी दुवैलाई चाहिँ यो कार्यक्रममा सहभागी गर्न सकियो भने हामीलाई समाज रूपान्तरण गर्न, हामीले महिलाको पहिचान त बुझ्न सकियो, हामी महिला भएर महिलाको पहिचान महिलाको समस्याहरू चाहिँ पहिचान गर्न सकियो। तर पुरुषहरूको पनि समस्या छ होला जो हामीले पहिचान गर्न सकेको छैनौँ होला जस्तो लागेर हामीले पुरुषहरूलाई पनि यसमा सहभागी गरायो भने हामी दुईटैको समस्यालाई पहिचान गरेर यसको समाधान गर्न सकिन्छ भनेर त्यो टेको पनि हामीले टेकेज युथ पनि ल्याउनुपर्छ भनेर हामीले आवाज उठाएको थियो। हजुरहरूले ल्याइदिनु भएकोमा धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद।
So I'm going to summarize. There used to be only Tech Age Girls program, and then she has advocated that her brother also need a program like that. Not only girls should be involved, but the boys also should be involved. Yeah, there's a problem in like women's identity, and women have a lot of issues, but the boys also have issue. And if we want to do this holistic development, it's not only the girls girls, but the boys also need to join hands together. So they advocated for that. And then now there is a Tekes youth program, and she's thanking whoever have supported this program in this library. She's thanking all the supporters. Bhai आउनु भएको छ? Bye. Her brother is not here now. He went to Pokhara, and then she said that her mother is coming, so we will also hear from her. अब अरू कसले बोल्नुहुन्छ? Like एकैछिन है. He said, I will speak. Okay. तपाईँ अङ्ग्रेजी बोल्नुहुन्छ? नेपाली बोल्नुहुन्छ? ल तपाईँ कति वर्ष हुनुभयो? के हो नाम भनिदिनु त?
नमस्कार, मेरो नाम भावेश तिवारी। म यसै मोदी सामुदायिक पुस्तकालयमा सञ्चालित टेकेज युथ कार्यक्रमको सहभागी। म चाहिँ अहिले 14 वर्षको भएर 9 क्लासमा पढ्छु। म यहाँ जोडिनुको मुख्य कारण चाहिँ दिदीहरूले गरेको त्यस्तो समुदायमा गएर सिकाएको कामहरू, क्यास्केटहरूले प्रेरणा दिएर म जोडिएको हुँ, जुनमा म एकदमै खुसी छु। यहाँ आएर मैले धेरै कुराहरू सिक्न पाएँ। हामीले एउटा नारा पनि अनुभव गऱ्यौँ वहाँ नगरपालिकासम्म गएर। त्यसपछि आएर तनाव व्यवस्थापन, सर्ट एनालाइसिस जस्ता कुराहरू, समुदायमा हुने विकृति, त्यसको व्यवस्थापनका उपायहरू पनि सिक्न सक्यौँ। कम्प्युटर पनि सिक्न सक्यौँ। पब्लिक स्पिकिङमा पनि एकदमै सिक्न सक्यौँ। धन्यवाद।
So his name is Bhavesh. Now he is enrolled in Tekes youth program. It's because of her sisters. So they advocated that boys should also be involved. So that's why he got the opportunity. That's what he said. And he's 14 years old. She is in 9th grade. So he's very happy that he is now in Tekes youth. He got to learn about the stress management, the SWOT analysis, the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat analysis. He got to know about the identification of the community issues and how to manage those. And he also learned about the public speaking. Okay, sir? Dhanyavad. Okay. Okay, he's here. So he wants to speak. किन यहाँ यी गर्ल्स राखेको? युथ खै त, बोइज खै त? There's a Tekes girls, it used to be there. छैन, बोइजै राख्दैन छ? अब भन्नुपर्छ, बोइज राख्नुपर्छ। ल भन्नु। टी-सर्ट छ? Tekes youth. Okay. हजुर भन्नुहोस्।
नमस्कार, मेरो नाम चाहिँ निर्माण तिवारी। म भर्खर 14 वर्षको भएँ र म यस मोदी सामुदायिक पुस्तकालयमा र रिनेवालको समन्वयमा सञ्चालन भएको टेकेज युथ कार्यक्रमको सहभागी विद्यार्थी र मैले चाहिँ यस मोदी सामुदायिक पुस्तकालयमा जोडिन पाउँदा एकदम धेरै खुसी अनुभव भयो। सम्पूर्णमा धेरै आभार व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। सर्वप्रथम मैले पहिला मेरो घरबाट सिनियर ट्यागहरू दिदीहरू जानुहुन्थ्यो र मलाई लाग्थ्यो कि मेरो मनमा यस्तो लाग्थ्यो कि यो समुदायले अहिले महिलाभन्दा पुरुषको स्थान धेरै भयो भनेर पुरुषलाई अलि हेला गरे जस्तो लाग्थ्यो। तर अहिले यस मोदी सामुदायिक पुस्तकालयमा पनि टेकेज युथ भन्ने कार्यक्रम आयो, जसको खबर मैले फेसबुक चलाउँदै गर्दा मैले देखेँ र त्यसपछि मनमा एक उत्साह भावना आयो र मैले सोचेँ कि मैले नि गर्न सक्छु। अब यस समुदायले पनि बोइजहरूलाई पनि धेरै अनुभव र धेरै अपर्च्युनिटीहरू दिएको छ। हामीहरूले पनि गर्न सक्छौँ, हामीहरू पनि अब गर्न सक्छौँ भन्ने भावना आयो र म विद्यालयमा जुन हाम्रो पठन पाठन हुँदै थियो त्यो बेला सर र रमा म्याडम, इन्द्र सर आउनुभएको थियो फर्मबाटै, जसको सर्वप्रथम हात पनि मैले उठाएको थिएँ किनकि यस्तो लाग्थ्यो कि मलाई यस कार्यक्रममा आउन धेरै उत्साह लागेको थियो। र त्यसपछि म यहाँ आएँ, फर्म भरेँ, इन्टरभ्यू दिएँ, पास भयो, नाम निस्क्यो, जुन बेला मेरो खुसीको ठिगानै थिएन। र अब मैले नि समुदायलाई परिवर्तन गर्नुपर्छ। यस समुदाय अहिले पहिलाभन्दा अहिलेको समुदाय अलि तल ढल्किँदैछ, अलि अन्धकारमा जाँदैछ। यसलाई हामी जस्ता युवाले, अब आएको न्यू जेनेरेसनले नै फेरि उठाउनुपर्छ, हामीले नै यस समुदाय बनाउनुपर्छ भन्ने भावना लागेको थियो।
ठिकै छ अहिले है त। So yeah, I'm going to summarize that. His name is Nirmal Tiwari. He's 14 years old. He's very happy to be the part of the program. What he thinks is that now, the people are only talking about the girls' issue. They are not talking about the boys' issues. We are also having the boys' issue. So he felt that, we are being kept aside. The boys are being kept aside. They are not included. So now he's very happy that, the library has conducted this program. He got to know about this program through the Facebook. And then he was very excited. And he met the representative from the library in his school. And then he was the first to raise hand that I want to get enrolled. And he got selected. He got interviewed. And his joys knew no bounds. So what he thinks that it's a role of the youth, role of the new generation to actually uplift the community, to uplift the society now, because he's thinking that now it's being degraded and it's our role to move this society forward. We have that. Thank you. अब के छ त भन्नुपर्ने छैन अब ओन्ली द टेकेस गर्ल्स पक्नु है अब यता एकछिन जान्छ है पहिला म अहिले आउँछु है त कोअपरेटिभ कुनै हुनुहुन्छ हजुर आमा हजुर कसैको सहकारीको बारेमा हजुर भन्नुहोस् त म पछाडि आउँछु होइन यही ठिक छ आमाको अलिकति भनिदिनुहोस् त अहिले म आउँछु है त्यहाँ एकैछिन है
मेरो सबैजनालाई नमस्कार
हजुर
मेरो नाम प्रेम कुमारी तिवारी
हजुर
म फलेवास नगरपालिका 5 मा मेरो घर छ के रे पढालेखा छैन फेरि पनि मैले के बुझेँ भने यहाँ किनकि हामीलाई पहिला एकदम डर लाग्थ्यो हैन ऋण खोजेर पनि घर चलाउनु पर्थ्यो यहाँ हामी आयौँ बचत गर्न हामी कसरी सिक्यौँ भने 20 रुपैयाँदेखि सिक्यौँ अब फेरि अहिले मैले रेगुलरै 1000 रुपैयाँ बचत गर्छु के रे बचत गरेर पनि कस्तो रहेछ त भनेदेखि म पढ्छु मेरो बुवा आमा पनि हुनुहुन्न यो लाइब्रेरीको बारेमा सोध्दा मलाई आँसु आउँछ न्यानो माया म बचत गर्न सुरु गरेँ मैले अहिले मेरा 3टा नातिनीहरू छन् यहीँबाट ऋण लग्छु बाख्रा पालन गर्छु त्यही आय आर्जन गरेर मैले प्रत्येक महिनाको 1 गते भन्दामा पछाडि जान्न म बचत गर्छु के रे त्यही भएर मलाई के लाग्छ भने यो एकदम मेरो अरूलाई छ छैन मैले भन्न सक्दिनँ मेरो लागि माइती गर्छ किनकि मेरो आमा बुवा नभएको कारणले म अनपढ भएको कारणले यहाँ यो मोती पुस्तकालय लाइब्रेरीले जुन हामीलाई अभियान चलाइदियो बचत गर्न सिकाइदियो त्यसमा म धेरै खुसी छु हामी ब्याङ्कमा जान्छौँ ब्याङ्कमा गए पनि हामीलाई एकछिन बचत हाम्रो भए पनि एकछिन पोख्नुहोस् है हजुरको नम्बर छैन हजुर अलि पछाडि आउनुभयो भने तर यहाँ हाम्रो कर्मचारी यति मार्मिक हुनुहुन्छ मैले ऋण पनि लैजान्छु र के रे बचत पनि गर्छु समयमा तिर्छु यहाँ हामीलाई 1 सेकेन्ड पनि अबेला हुनु के रे गरिदिनुहुन्न यसको लागि म धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु किनकि यो मोती पुस्तकालय अनि फेरि लाइब्रेरी एकदम मेरो लागि महत्त्वपूर्ण छ हेर्नुहोस् यो फुलोस् फलोस् एकदमै के माइतीको अरूलाई त थाहा कस्तो छ हेर्नुहोस् मेरो लागि मेरो न्यानो माइती घर जस्तै छ यहाँको कर्मचारी एकदमै महान हुनुहुन्छ भोला बाले जस्तो ल्याइदिनु भयो यो एकदम जोडिनु हुन्छ यस्तै यहाँ 10 जना छोरा हुनुहुन्छ भने फलिवास के हुन्छ भन्ने कुरा थाहा नै छैन हस् धन्यवाद म यति भन्न चाहन्छु
हस् धन्यवाद Thank you so much. So her name is Prem Kumari Tiwari. She is not literate and she has a lot of fear before. She used to take loan to support her family. So she got to know about the library and she started saving. She learned about saving from the library. She started from ₹20 per month. And now she's saving 1,000 rupees per month and she's doing goat raising and small business. And with that benefit, she is supporting her grandchildren. So what she's telling that she doesn't have parents and she misses her parents, but when she comes to the library, she feels that it's her parents' home. It's very warm. When they go to the bank, it's very difficult because of the bureaucratic processes and all. They were not like welcomed there. But now in the library, they can just like come here, talk to the staff members, and they just help them. They feel very welcomed, and they feel very comfortable to come here. And she's telling time and again that it's like her parents' home. And she doesn't know about others, but for her, it's the parents' home. And she's taking loan and she's paying on time, and she's very happy that she's a part of the library. And she's also appreciating Bola, who has actually initiated this library. And if there would be persons like Bola, for like 10 persons like Bola, the whole the community, whole society would be changed. Thank you so much. अरु कसले भन्नुहुन्छ? ए कृष्ण अब यता आउनु त तपाईँ, यता आउनु त, अलिकति अगाडि जाउँ न। हजुर, अनि ठिक छ, बस्नु न, बस्नु। ए हजुर हजुर। So Krisha's mom,
Yes.
right? अलिकति भन्नुहुन्छ तपाईको बारेमा थोरै?
नमस्कार, म ट्याग कृषक।
How are we going with the time? बाँकी छ 15 मिनेट, 5 मिनेटमा भन्नु है, अनि हामी क्वेशन आन्सर।
एकदमै धेरै खुसी छु बाबुलाई नानीलाई यहाँ पठाउन पाउँदा, एकदमै धेरै खुसी छु। आफूलाई एकदम भाग्यशाली साबित छु।
आफ्नो परिवारबाट हजुर
नानीलाई यहाँ पठाउनु र म यहाँ आउनुमा खासै धेरै फरक देखेँ छैन मैले, किनभने नानीबाट धेरै कुराहरू सिकिसकेँ मैले, घर बसी बसी सिकिसकेको। अनि धेरै चेन्जेसहरू आएको छ नानीमा। पहिला उनी अगाडि गएर बोल्न सक्दैन थिए, समाज
नानीको त भनिसक्नु भयो, तपाईको आफ्नो भन्नुस् न। आफ्नो अहिले हजुर।
म हरेक कुराहरू सिकिरहेको छु नानीबाट। जस्तै समाजमा केही बोल्न नसक्ने थिए, नानीले गर्दाखेरि अगाडि जाने, बोल्ने, केही कुराहरू आफ्नो कुराहरू राख्न सक्ने भएको छु। अनि यत्रो समयदेखि मैले अब शिक्षालाई ग्याप दिएर बसेको थिएँ। नानीले दिनुपर्छ, मम्मी गर्नुपर्छ भनेर मैले यत्रो 16 वर्ष पछाडि मेरो यो जुन शिक्षालाई निरन्तर दिएर मैले अहिले भर्खरै एसी दिएको छु। अब थाहा छैन रिजल्ट त कस्तो आउँछ, तर मैले नानीबाट नै मैले पढ्न पर्ने रहेछ, सबै कुरालाई यसरी ग्याप छोड्न हुने रहेनछ भनेर दिएको छु। अब पछि पनि गएर धेरै राम्रो अरू पनि कुराहरू जो मैले मेरो इच्छाहरू थियो, मैले जो बिचमा छोडेको थिएँ, त्यसलाई सबै कुरालाई मैले अगाडि बढाउँछु। किनभने अब म बल्ल फ्री भएको छु। नानी बाबु अब सबै आफ्नो आफ्नो उसमा भइसके पछाडि म यिनीहरू पछि नै म सिक्दै जान्छु। यिनीहरूले जे सिक्छन् त्यो म अब सिक्न पाउँछु भन्ने चाहिँ मलाई छ।
So summarizing, her children are being their mentor, being her mentor. So whatever Krisha learns here in the library, she goes home and then she teach her mother about the computers, about whatever she learned here. So she said that she is learning a lot, whatever her kids are learning here. And she said that she also get inspired to go to school because of Krisha. So after 16 years, she left the school, she rejoined it, and then she has appeared in the very important examinations, SEE examination, and she's waiting for the result. So whatever she has left, her interest and all, she's going to continue that because her children is also grown up, and she's very happy to be the part of the library, and she's very happy her kids are in the library. उता पुरुषहरू पनि जानुहुन्छ कि सर, के गरौँ? इन्द्र सरले बोलिसक्नु भएको छ अघि नै। We only have 5 minutes. Sir. हजुर। Constituent assembly member. हजुर। अलिकति अंग्रेजीमा भनिदिनुहुन्छ सर, मलाई सजिलो हुन्छ। थोरै मात्रै पुस्तकालयको बारेमा अलिकति कसरी जोडिनु भयो भनेर। थोरै हुन्छ। हजुर।
हजुरले ट्रान्सलेसन गर्नु नेपालीमै भन्छु।
थोरै मात्रै एकदमै थोरै।
नमस्कार।
8 मिनेट छ रहेछ।
चाहिँ अब यो मोती पुस्तकालयमा बाल्यकालदेखि नै अब हामी स्कुलमा पढ्दाखेरि एक्स्ट्रा नलेजको लागि हामीलाई पुस्तकालयमा आएर पुस्तकहरू लिने अनि बिहान बेलुका पढ्ने गर्थ्यौँ। यसले चाहिँ शिक्षालाई अलिक ब्रोड बनाउनको लागि ठुलो योगदान गरेको छ।
आफूमा आएको परिवर्तन अलिकति अझ
यसले चाहिँ यही पुस्तकालयले नै मलाई चाहिँ धेरै अध्ययन गर्ने बानीको विकास गरायो। धेरै नयाँ नयाँ कुराहरू हामीले स्कुलमा सीमित पढ्थ्यौँ भने यसले अलिक ब्रोड बनाउँछ इन्फर्मल एजुकेसनले। अनि यसलाई अब हामी यसको निर्माण गर्ने क्रममा पनि हामी सानोदेखि चाहिँ सुरु गऱ्यौँ, समुदायहरूलाई इन्भल्भ गराएर समुदायहरूले नै 2-4 पैसा हालेर यसलाई अलि सार्वजनिक रूपमा हामीले ल्यायौँ होइन। अनि त्यसपछि अब रुम टु रिड जस्ता धेरै संस्थाहरूसँग यो जोडियो। अहिले यसले समाजमा एउटा अगुवाको भूमिका खेलेको छ हरेक क्षेत्रमा। यो अझ समयको परिवर्तनसँगै यसलाई अब अहिले पुस्तकालय अब हामी चाहिँ किताबमा भन्दा पनि अब अहिले हातमा चाहिँ पढ्ने परिवर्तन आइसकेको छ। अझ यसलाई अझ हामी बढी राम्रो बनाएर लान चाहन्छौँ। हामी यही कुरा सोचिरहेछौँ।
So yeah, I met him for the first time. So he is the child user of this library also. So he said that he get a lot of knowledge and skills in the library, and the school, they give limited knowledge, but library broadens the knowledge that he is getting. I mean, he broadened his knowledge. That's what he said. Yeah, and then this library is actually helping the community to go ahead with a lot of development. And this library also coordinated with Room to Read and promote the library in other schools and colleges.
Government.
So I just summarized because I'm getting like a lot of requests here. Just last one, and then we'll get the question and answer for 10 minutes. Oh, am I doing right with it? Thore matre. Ward president. Okay, ward president. They are the government representatives.
म यही वार्डको मेरो नाम नारायणप्रसाद लामी छ नि म अहिले हाल यो फलेवास नगरपालिका वडा नम्बर 5 को वार्ड अध्यक्ष हो त्योभन्दा अगाडि म यहीँबाट 2050 सालमा आजीवन सदस्य भएर 53 सालदेखि अहिलेसम्म यस पुस्तकालयको मेम्बरको रूपमा आजसम्म कार्यरत छु अहिले म यता पदैन वार्ड तर्फबाट आइरहेको छु र विगतदेखि यो पुस्तकालयसँग जोडिएर हरेक कमिटीहरुमा बसेर यो पुस्तकालयलाई सहयोग गरेर अगाडि बढेको हो र यहाँसम्म सबैको माया ममता भएर यो आइरहेको छ अब यसलाई हाम्रो फलेवास नगरपालिकाले पनि तपाई पुस्तकालयको हरेक कार्यक्रमहरुमा साझेदारीको रूपमा सहयोग गर्दै आएको छ र समग्र यसलाई अझ विस्तार गरौँ कि भन्ने अरु विद्यालयहरुमा जस्तो प्याकेज गर्ल्स कार्यक्रम अरु ठाउँहरुमा पनि विस्तार गरौँ कि भन्ने सोचमा पालिका गइरहेको छ त्यसै अनुसार हामी फलेवास नगरपालिकासँग पनि कोअर्डिनेसन गरेर यो पुस्तकालयसँगको कार्यक्रम अरु विद्यालयमा पनि पुर्याउन सके राम्रो हुन्थ्यो कि भन्ने मेरो सुझाव पनि हो। धन्यवाद।
आजको नाम के भन्नुभयो?
नारायण प्रसाद लामिछाने।
नारायण, हजुर। So he is a ward president. He is Narayan Prasad Lamichhane. He is associated, he is connected with this library in many ways. He is the life member, and he is also like in working with the library in one or other way. And he's the government representative. He really likes the Tech Age Girls program here. What he's advocating is that it's important that this Tech Age Youth program is also enrolled in other schools, and they are working with the municipality about how they can take this model to the schools in other communities also. And the ward is actually partnering with Moti Library to do different kind of programs. So I'm just summarizing. I'm just I'm not literally translating everything that they are saying. You want to say something, right? She's raising hand. This is the last one. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. This specific question. So after 2 minutes, we'll have question and answer session. Sorry, just last one. 1 minute भयो ला अब थोरै मात्रै आधी मिनेट मात्रै है त हस् भन्नु त
म चाहिँ टेक इज गर्ल
अंग्रेजी बोल्नुहुन्छ English नाइ they don't want to speak English, sorry. भन्नु त
म टेक्नोलोजी एज गर्ल म त सामुदायिक पुस्तकालयमा जोडिएपछि चाहिँ मैले टेक्नोलोजी बारेमा मलाई केही पनि थाहा थिएन म यहाँ जोडिएपछि टेक्नोलोजी कम्प्युटरहरू चलाउन सिकेँ समुदायमा भएका समस्याहरूलाई पत्ता लगाएर त्यसको समाधान गर्न सिकेर समाधान गर्यौं पनि साथसाथै फोहोर व्यवस्थापन गर्न सिक्यौं प्लास्टिकहरू जलाउनु हुँदैन भनेर सचेतना फैलायौं
आफूमा आएको परिवर्तन अलिकति भन्नु त हजुर
अनि मोती सामुदायिक पुस्तकालय अहिलेको यो जेनेरेसनमा चाहिँ जथाभावी फोहोर फाल्ने गर्नुभएको छ मानिसहरूले हामीले त्यसैलाई व्यवस्थापन गर्नको लागि ठाउँ ठाउँमा डस्टबिनहरू वितरण गरिरहेका छौं अनि फोहोर हरेक महिना चाहिँ मोती सामुदायिक पुस्तकालयले घर घरको हरेक ठाउँको फोहोरहरूलाई चाहिँ व्यवस्थापन गर्नको लागि चाहिँ ट्र्याक्टरमा हालेर ट्याम्प्लिक साइडमा चाहिँ गभर्मेन्टले गर्न नसकेको काम चाहिँ मोती लाइब्रेरीले गरेको छ र हामीले चाहिँ यहाँ आएपछि चाहिँ सङ्गीत कक्ष पनि सिकेका छौँ नेपाली लोकबाजाहरू सिकेका छौँ जस्तै मादल शङ्ख खैँजडीहरू जस्ता सिकेका छौँ यो अवसरको लागि चाहिँ हामी मोती सामुदायिक पुस्तकालयलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद
नाम के अरे हजुरको
युनिसा भुसाल
So Unisa Busal, she said that she learned about the computer here, and she's mainly talking about the community issue, the waste management. They see that the community is dirty, right? They use a lot of plastics, and the waste management is not done in a proper way. So what they are doing is they are creating a project, and they are distributing dustbin in every household so that they can put their waste there. And even the government is not doing this kind of work. I'm sorry that the government people are also here. So Moti Library actually took lead to collect the waste, and then using tractor, they put this into the dumping site. So this waste management project is very efficient, it's very effective in this community because of the Tekish youth. The girls and boys, they are working together to do their best to make sure that their community is clean and tidy. Thank you. And they also learned the traditional music like this. This is Madal, and they also learn Khajari. I don't know the English word for that. So they're going to play later for you guys. Thank you so much. So can we, 4 minutes, question and answer. So we'll take question from you. There are many who want to tell the stories, but it's the time is running out. हजुर के भन्नु पर्नुपर्छ सर बोला सर भइसक्यो भनिसक्नु भयो अब क्वेसन लिनु पर्ला कसरी लिने हो क्वेसन कसरी लिने हामीले यसैमा हुन्छ आउँछ ए ओके आई क्यान सी हियर ओके भन्नु नि त क्वेसन So anyone has any questions about whatever you have seen now? Oh, Sundarina, I can't hear. Okay, Hazrasas.
So this is for our virtual audience. If there's any questions that you want to ask the group, please feel free to unmute yourself and ask a question. Any questions from our virtual audience?
No questions?
Yeah. Hi, this is Adrienne. I have a question.
Yep. Hi, Adrienne.
Hi.
Hi,
it's Adrienne Stone, the Stone Family Foundation. Thank you so much for this wonderful presentation. The being able to see everyone and all the different community members that are using the center and how the center is helping the community has just been really wonderful to see. So thank you so much. You know that my question is going to be about the tech age youth, however.
Yeah.
And so I'm curious how they have seen the digital skills that they have learned through the program, and in what ways they've been using those, and if they're using them also like in school, or how, you know, if there's a complementarity with the skills that they are learning with also their schoolwork. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Adrienne. I'll put this question to the Tekish youth and let's see what they'll say. उहाँले के भनिराख्नु भएको छ भने छ नि जुन चाहिँ तपाईहरुले कम्प्युटरहरु एकैछिन कम्प्युटरहरु सिक्नु भएको छ नि त हैन त्यसले चाहिँ तपाईहरुको स्कुलको काममा चाहिँ स्कुलको पढाइमा चाहिँ कसरी सहयोग गरिराछ भनेर भन्नुभएको के स्कुल आफ्नो चाहिँ पढाइमा चाहिँ त्यसले सहयोग गरिराछ कि छैन भनेर भन्नुभएको
हामीले चाहिँ कम्प्युटर सिकेपछि चाहिँ हामीले जुन हाम्रो विद्यालयको पाठ्यक्रममा पनि कम्प्युटर सम्बन्धितै छ त्यसले गर्दा हामीले पहिल्यै यहाँबाट सिकेर गइसकेको भएपछि आफूले सिकेको कुरालाई रिभिजन गर्न पाइन्छ र अब सरहरूले चाहिँ सबैजना विद्यार्थीलाई एकै दिनमा हामीले यहाँ सिकेको कुरा सिकाउन सक्नुहुन्छ जसले गर्दा हामीले आफ्नो साथीहरूलाई पनि सिकाउन पाइरहेको छौँ जसले गर्दा चाहिँ हाम्रो नलेज चाहिँ बढिरहेको छ र हाम्रो साथीहरूलाई पनि हेल्प गर्दाखेरि हामी धेरै खुसी पनि छौँ
हस् धन्यवाद अनि अरू पनि भनौँ न, तपाईँले यहाँ जसरी सिक्नुहुन्छ नि कम्प्युटर होइन, त्यो चाहिँ तपाईँहरूको स्कुलको पढाइमा कसरी सहयोग भइरहेछ, कसरी भइरहेछ भन्नुहोस् त।
हाम्रो पाठ्यक्रममा कम्प्युटर साइन्स भन्ने विषय रहेको छ, त्यसमा पनि कम्प्युटर विषयले धेरै सहयोग गरेको छ। हामीले पहिल्यै यहीँ प्र्याक्टिकल्ली कम्प्युटर सिकिसकेपछि उहाँ स्कुलमा गएर आफ्नो पाठ्यक्रममा पढ्दाखेरि झन् सजिलो हुने, रिभिजन हुने, यहाँ पहिल्यै सिकेको कुरो उहाँ गएर सिक्दाखेरि रिभिजन हुने र हाम्रो आफ्नो व्यक्तिगत पढाइलाई पनि धेरै टेवा पुगेको छ र हाम्रो विषयमा पाठ्यक्रमको विषयमा पनि धेरै टेवा पुगेको छ र धेरै राम्रो असरहरू भएको छ।
तपाईँहरूले स्कुलमा सिकेको विषयवस्तुहरूलाई फेरि हेर्नु न त।
हामी यहाँ आएर पनि आफ्नो स्कुलमा सिकेको पनि हेर्छौँ र अनि हामीले अब यहाँ कम्प्युटर सिकेपछि चाहिँ हामीले नजानेको कुरा पनि आफूले घरमा आफ्नो ल्यापटपमा वा आफ्नो कम्प्युटरमा खोजेर आफूले पढ्न पनि सकिएको छ।
हस्, धन्यवाद। अब तपाईँको
यो ट्याग प्रोग्राममा हामीले कम्प्युटरहरू सिकेपछि
पहिला म यो ट्रान्सलेट गरिदिन्छु है एकैछिन है। So I'll translate their response first. They said that they also have the curriculum in the school about the digital education, but they don't have enough infrastructure of that, and then they learn here. And then when they go to school, they get to repeat what they have learned here. And they are also actually helping the teachers and other students about what they have learned here, because all the students are not like they didn't get opportunity to enroll in this Tech-Age Girls. So actually they are also helping them. That's what they said. I'll also hear from her. Yeah.
साइन्स र म्याथमा पनि धेरै सहयोग भएको छ। अनि त्यसपछि यहाँ सिकेका कुराहरूले सामाजिक विषयमा चाहिँ हाम्रो मार्कहरू इन्क्रिज भएको छ। त्यसपछि त्यसले चाहिँ हाम्रो के अरे शिक्षामा पनि धेरै मद्दत गरेको छ, पढाइमा पनि दैनिक पढाइमा पनि मद्दत गरेको छ। अनि हामीले कम्प्युटर चाहिँ यहाँ सिकेपछि चाहिँ उहाँ स्कुलमा गएर सिक्दा चाहिँ सरहरूले सिकाउन नपर्किन हामीले आफै सिकिसक्थ्यौँ अनि अरूलाई पनि सिकाउने गर्थ्यौँ। यसले गर्दा चाहिँ हामीलाई धेरै मद्दत।
Okay, so before they start the class in the school, they get to learn here. So it's a kind of revision for them, and it's very easy. And then they also have the other student, and their marks has increased, especially in science and math, because of these digital skills. They get to browse. कसरी गर्नुहुन्छ तपाईले साइन्स र म्याथमा कसरी इम्प्रुभ भयो?
कसरी भने पहिला चाहिँ हामीले कम्प्युटर ओपन गर्नमा चाहिँ हामीले टाइपहरू कसरी गर्ने भन्ने केही पनि थाहा थिएन। जब चाहिँ यहाँ आयौँ त्यसपछि म्यामहरूले सबै बेसिक सिपहरू चाहिँ सबै सिकाइदिएपछि चाहिँ हामीलाई धेरै नै सजिलो भएको थियो।
They get knowledge about access different kind of contents in Google and computer also. So yeah, she talked about improvement in science and math, and then revision in computer education, and then able to help other students in the school. So yeah, can I take other question also?
Hi, this is Susan Arthur. Oh, sorry. Are you able to take another question?
Yes, one more. Sorry for that. There are a lot of people who want to tell their stories, but I'm just taking question, and then we have going to.
Oh, so I had two questions. You said just one, but I had two questions. One was when we were in the sewing room, you said that one of the women in there had come up with the idea for the eco bags.
Yes.
And I wondered, where do you get the ideas for most of your projects that you take on? That was one question. And my other question is, are you able to work with everyone who wants to come and join the library, all the men, women, and young people? Or do you have to be selective and you can only work with certain ones? And how do you decide who that will be?
Okay. यहाँ कार्यक्रम सञ्चालन गर्ने रमालाई सोधौँ क्या? Yeah. म त्यही आउँछु नि त। म त्यहाँ जाउँ है त। उहाँले के भन्नुभयो भने छ नि, यो आइडिया चाहिँ कसरी पाउनुहुन्छ अरे कि तपाईँले के गर्ने कसो गर्ने भनेर आइडिया चाहिँ कसरी पाउनुहुन्छ अरे। जस्तै इक्यु ब्यागको पनि छ नि, कसरी आइडिया पाउनुभयो। अनि यहाँ त अब सबैजना हुनुहुन्छ नि त होइन, सबैजनालाई यहाँ सम्मिलित गर्न मिल्छ र कसरी चाहिँ तपाईँले चाहिँ सहभागीहरू चाहिँ छनौट गर्नुहुन्छ भनेर भन्नुभएको कि।
हाम्रो चाहिँ त्यो प्रोसेस हुन्छ एउटा
पहिला पहिला चाहिँ इको ब्यागहरूको कसरी चाहिँ नयाँ आइडियाहरू थाहा
चाहिँ हाम्रो एउटा कम्युनिटी प्रोजेक्ट हुन्छ होइन अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ हाम्रो गर्ल्सहरूलाई चाहिँ कम्युनिटी वाक गराउने अनि त्यहाँको इस्युहरू चाहिँ फाइन्ड आउट गर्न लगाउँछ होइन लगाउने क्रममा चाहिँ उनीहरूले चाहिँ एकदम धेरै प्लास्टिक नै युज भएको जताततै फोहोर नै फोहोर देख्छ त्यसपछि अनि हामीहरूले चाहिँ अब यो फोहोरलाई चाहिँ कम मात्र गर्नलाई के गर्न सकिन्छ भनेर हामीहरूले यहाँ चाहिँ लाइब्रेरीमा डिस्कसन गऱ्यौँ हामी स्टाफहरू बिचमा अनि त्यसपछि गर्ल्स र हामी लाइब्रेरीको स्टाफहरू मिलेर चाहिँ यसलाई हामीले सबैभन्दा पहिला त प्लास्टिक कम गऱ्यो भने मात्रै फोहोर कम हुने हो त हो त्यसको लागि चाहिँ हामीले अब त्यो कमसेकम बजार जाँदाखेरि मात्र भए पनि ब्याग बोक्यो भने प्लास्टिक त कम आउँछ नि त होइन त्यो आइडियाले चाहिँ हामीले इको
Actually, the answer to your first question is, I'll take the answer to the second question later. So what she is saying that they do the community walk, actually exposing the girls to the community issues. They just let them work, and then there's a process to do that. And when they walk in the communities, they just identify what are the issues that they're seeing, what are the observations that they are having, and then they discuss here with the team members in the library, and then they talk about what need to be like addressed. And then they come together with the idea like that. It's actually community initiated. The girls find the ideas about what needs to be done, the innovative, and then they come together with the team and the staff members of the library on like how to decrease or how to address the issues that they are seeing in the library, seeing in the community. That's how the eco idea about the bag has emerged. Yeah. अनि अर्को चाहिँ कसरी सेलेक्ट गर्नुहुन्छ अरे तपाईहरुले हैन अब महिला हुनुहुन्छ पुरुष हुनुहुन्छ हैन केटाकेटी हुन्छ सबैलाई त सम्मिलित गर्न मिल्दैन हैन कसरी चाहिँ छनौट गर्नुहुन्छ अरे के यहाँ यो प्रोग्राममा अरु प्रोग्राममा पनि हजुर
हामीहरु चाहिँ खासमा के मार्जिनलाइज कम्युनिटीमा चाहिँ बढी नै टार्गेट गरिरहेको हुन्छौँ हैन जसले चाहिँ आफ्नो घरमा हैन स्कुलमा जान नपाएको बच्चाहरूलाई चाहिँ हामीले कम्युनिटीमा चाहिँ कम्युनिटीको त्यस्तो खालको बच्चाहरूलाई चाहिँ हामीले लाइब्रेरीमा जोड्ने प्रयास गरिरहेको छ र धेरै जस्तो चाहिँ हाम्रो यो प्रोग्रामहरूमा पनि जस्तै हामीसँग भएको सहकारीमा भयो हैन अनि हाम्रो चाहिँ टेकेज गर्ल्स प्रोग्राममा भयो हाम्रो टेकेज युथ प्रोग्राममा भयो त्यो सबै कुराहरुमा चाहिँ हामीले मार्जिनलाइज नै बढी फोकस गर्छौं सँगसँगै चाहिँ हामीले युथहरूलाई चाहिँ यो एडभोकेट गर्नको लागि युथ नै बढी एक्टिभ छ नि त त्यो कारणले गर्दा हामी युथहरूलाई चाहिँ गर्छौं
They actually have a lot of programs for every sections of the community. They have program for youth, for women, for girls, for kids. But in order to select the participants, they focus on the marginalized first, who don't have access, who actually need help. So they are on the first priority, then only the others get chance. Yeah, even though all the community members, they want to get involved, but for the specific project, the marginalized are focused. But there are other programs for those who want to get involved. It's not that anybody is excluded, but try their best to get everyone involved. I know.
Thank
so
you.
Based on my experience, also I'm saying that. Thank you so much. So Bhagyashree, how are we going on timing? Kati bajyo? Kati bagi छ? Till time so? Oh, time is running out. Sorry for that, miss. Ke bhayo? Any questions? Any last question? And then we will come to the conclusion. And just one girls did want to do one performance for you, and after that we are going to end. So before that, I think it's the time is running out. So tonight is your night. Our morning is a reminder of what patience and long-term support looks like. So centers like this operate generations after generations because the communities take lead. So if you want to be the part of it, thank you so much for your support, first of all. And if you want to be the part of it and help us sustain this work, help us expand this work through your support and also through the legacy giving, we are always happy to connect. Thank you so much for joining our virtual today. This is like first time that we are doing this. We will improve more next time. And this is going to be recorded for those who are not able to join today. So with the performance of the girls, we are going to end this virtual session. Thank you so much. Uta dehaउने के गर्ने? हजुर? मेयर हजुर Other. Okay. So, yeah, the mayor of the Folebas municipality is also here. Sorry for that. A lot of people coming in. It's very difficult to track. He's the mayor and he's working with the library. Please hear like a few words from him. Sorry.
यहाँ सबैलाई धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु र
हजुर
मेरो त फलेवास नगरपालिकाको तर्फदेखि हार्दिक नमस्कार एवं स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु। यो पुस्तकालयले यहाँका यो फलेवास नगरवासी सम्पूर्णलाई विभिन्न पाराले विद्या आर्जन गर्न र विभिन्न कार्यक्रममा निकै सहयोग गरेको छ र यसमा चाहिँ फलेवास नगरपालिकाको पनि कन्ट्रिब्युसन छ र हामीले चाहिँ फलेवास नगरपालिका र यो मोती पुस्तकालय मिलेर धेरै कामहरू अगाडि बढाइरहेका छौँ र मोती पुस्तकालयले जुन चाहिँ एउटा विद्यार्थीमा समाजमा र यो मोती पुस्तकालय अगाडि बढाउनको लागि यसले गर्नुपर्ने लाइब्रेरीका कामहरू जुन सिलाइ कटाइदेखि लिएर विभिन्न तालिमदेखि लिएर जुन कामहरू चाहिँ अगाडि सारेको छ यो निकै सराहनीय छ र यो चाहिँ साँच्चै भनियो भने यसले अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय पुरस्कार र नेपालमा विभिन्न प्रकारका पुरस्कारहरू समेत यसले प्रदान गरिसकेको छ। यो मानेमा पनि म यो पुस्तकालयलाई धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु र यो संस्थापक अध्यक्ष सम्पूर्णले जुन चाहिँ जसरी यो पुस्तकालय अगाडि बढाउने कार्यक्रम ल्याउनु भएको छ त्योप्रति हार्दिक धन्यवाद दिन
धन्यवाद सर
धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु।
धन्यवाद सर। So he's thanking you all from viewing this library or from all over the world. And he's very happy with that. And then he said that Moti Library actually has helped to find has helped the people to find their way. And Folebas municipality actually is working very closely with the Moti Library to do different kind of program, and they are going to partner ahead. And he also said that that's why Moti Library has won a different national and international award because of the work that they are doing. Thank you so much. So at the end, with this performance, we are going to end. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. And sorry if it's not smooth. I tried my best and managing people and tech